Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Foxy on 12. In this video, I'm gonna be playing Build on GG. You guys wouldn't believe it. I was just playing, and in 6 minutes, I had 6 wins, and I pressed Control W, which like I'm gonna clear all my hotkeys now. I hate that hotkey, man. Like I mess up so bad, and like I was in good pace. Yeah. So, anyways, let's just go in the rule. I can only use rifles and snipers, and every 5 minutes I have to change my gun. So 1 minute, bro. Why? Oh my god, I can't use snipers right now. This guy's wasting a lot of my time. I'm not dealing with that. I don't like you, kiddo. Go die. You guys die. Bro, oh my god. You're gonna be, I really wanna kill this guy, man. Okay, oh my god, kiddo. If I'm gonna find you and I'm gonna kill you in real life. Stop messing up. This kid sucks. I hate people like you. I hate people like you. I hate people like you. Die. I have to go in good pace, you know. Let's go. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute 30 seconds and 1 minute. I said it 30 seconds late, and then I was 30 seconds on the guy. 1 minute and 30 seconds on that guy, so it's not really. Okay. 1 minute though. And if this video gets like 20 likes, I'll do round 2, and in the I'll do round 2, but I'll only do the pickaxe, and in the last I'll try to 1v1 Mr. Focus. If he agrees, I hate people like you. I hate people like you, man. Why? Do it. Do it. Die. Good job. Hurry up. Bro, I didn't know my keybind. I was pressing 3 wins in. Yeah, 3 wins in 2 seconds. 2 minutes. 3 wins in. Not bad. You're doing good. Just spam like a damn loser. Good job. Bro, I was gonna do that also. Let's go. Yeah, that's where it stops. Good job, you're doing good, we're doing absolutely good. You're giving up a good pace, like a good pace. 4 wins in 3 minutes, not bad. The first, I guess I need to get more people. Let's press cancel. Yeah, control R. Settings. Oh my god, OBS, open settings. Hotkeys. Start streaming, stop. There's nothing to stop here. Good job. Okay, I think I should. Yeah, okay, oh no. Generalist. Snipers only now. Good job. 3 minutes. We're keeping a good pace, and I didn't use any gun. If I did, I would repeat the footage. Full. Okay. I guess this guy is gonna. You damn kiddo. Like why? Why do you kind of people exist? Huh? I don't get you guys. I don't get you. Stop. Good job. You guys are stupid. Stupid clip. And what you're gonna do? Send it to your emo homies or something? Gentlemen, you ain't a gentleman. 200. I'm averaging 200 ping. Yeah. I'm keeping up a good pace, you know. But this is the best pace I've had. Oh my god! Holy shoot! Oh my god! Hello. Oh my god! I hate people. Thank you, that counted. Bro, I keep pressing B instead of G. I messed up on my new keyboard more than I messed up on my last keyboard because my last keyboard was way bigger. Yeah. Come on, kiddo. Do it. Bro, stop. Stop. You're wasting my time. Holy shoot. I hate people like this guy, man. Good job. You boxed in. I messed up. If I was like, I don't know why I didn't face like sweaty people. I guess that's the curse of snipers only. Bro, stupid. You're just dumb. You're in. Oh my. I'm not trying to swear. Good job. I'm messing up my pick. I think I have seven minutes, right? Bro, you damn kid. Where are you? You do it. I double dare you. Oh my god. Oh hell no, that's bad looks. Keep building, keep cranking. Yep. This guy knows I'm using snipers only. Like, you use snipers only also, man. Did you? I know. Did you? I'm using snipers only. I do it. Get your clip. Just get your clip already, man. I don't. Bro, stop wasting my time. Get your clip and. Oh my god. Even if I want to, I wouldn't win on this guy because he's way better than me. He's gonna get it. He's messing up. He's gonna get it clip. You can see there's a double idea over there. Hi. I'm using snipers only. I can't 1v1, bro. How? Oh my god. I'm using snipers only. Oh my god. Holy sheesh. Oh my god. That was the best chance I had on this guy, man. Since forever, you know. Oh yeah, I'm dead. Love. Bro, no, I'm Buxton. Finna. Oh my god. He knows. Just get your clip, man, already. Yes, oh my god, I'm boxed. I hate this so much. We both missed. Got the ball. Oh my god, his nose. He's one, I'm one, we both are one. No way. Oh no. I did not mean that. I swear to God. I swear to God. 8 wins. 8 wins. 8 wins. I just need 2 more wins. 9, 10. I need 2 more wins, and then I'm winning. Finally, that took forever. Am I? Do I have aimbot? Do I actually have aimbot? What? Did you see that? Perfect. I'm not using stretch resolution. I can promise you that. Because if I did, like, your video quality would be booty cheeks. I know. One more win. One more win, then I'll do a pickaxe only round to show you how hard it's gonna be. One pickaxe only round. Pickaxe only round this time. After this. Okay, he's also using snipers. He knows. Oh, you won't believe how. You don't believe how. Oh my god, you won't believe. Oh my god. My heart stopped. I was like, oh no. I closed that by accident. It did my recording close, and if I did, I was gonna make a new recording. Trust me, I scrapped so many stuff because of this. I just controlled it. Oh my god. Holy god. Oh. That scared the hell out of him. I mean, that scared the heck out of him. Sorry, Nick 30. I didn't want to do that. Oh my god. Yep, it's these kinds of kids. Not wasting my time because I'm not verified. So I just need to make this video 15 minutes long. If it's like 14 and I can't do it, then I'm not getting the pickaxe at all. Or I can just get a pickaxe right now. Let's try. Yeah, do that. Yup. Yeah, let's just finish the challenge. I'm not doing the pickaxe only. Let's just finish the challenge and do the pickaxe only. Then I get verified. In the next video, I'm gonna be convincing Mr. Focus to 1v1 me. Me versus Mr. Focus. So if you want that, make sure this video gets 10 likes. Oh my god, no! But chill. This guy, man. It's this guy. It's this kind of guys. Oh my god, I'm only using snipers to kill ya. I'm ending the video. I'm not doing anymore. Oh my god, let's go. Okay, guys. Okay. 30 likes and I'll do part 2, but I'll use pickaxes only. And 20 likes and I'll if I get 30 likes, I'll do pickaxe only, but if I get 20 likes, I'll 1v1 Mr. Focus. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next video, and bye.